gone, it sounds like, through a lot of trials, tribulation. You've gone through a lot of learnings. What have been some of the most pillar moments where you said, I messed up here, but I came out learning something, that has been pivotal to the success of my career?
Yeah, I got two that stick in my head. One was at first I had something that our company said, look, we want to do maintenance planning and scheduling. And George, you're really good at scheduling, so we're going to have you do this. And I did it. I wrote awesome schedules. They were awesome. 40 hours a week per mechanic. Things are, mapped out to the finest detail. Things are coordinated, except I never planned for breakdowns. I never understood, why isn't anybody using the schedule that I used? Well, they couldn't, because my schedule was based on knowing when things were going to run and not run, not knowing when they were going to break randomly. And one of the best supervisors at the site, he just said, this is garbage. Everything you're doing is a waste of time because our equipment keeps breaking down. So I'll take you to the second story, where I was sitting in my office. This is a couple of years later. Now we've put in what I thought was a very effective PDM program. We'd have our condition-based maintenance mechanics go around. They do an inspection. They'd say, look, this V-belt, it's going to fail. We used infrared. We used vibration analysis. It's going to fail within 6 months. And then I'm sitting at my desk, and one day a mechanic comes, one of our best mechanics, and he throws the V-belt at me and says, your PDM program, it's garbage. This belt failed. I said, what? How'd we miss this? And it turns out we didn't miss it. We called it. We just never got around to changing the belt because we had so much corrective maintenance going on. So my buddy, my mentor, he said, you know what we need? We need precision maintenance. We got to eliminate these defects. And I Googled it, and I found this book on defect elimination. I thought it was going to be a technical mechanical book. And what it turns out to be is this, I'd equate it to like a graphic novel. I'm a big Batman fan. It's like a graphic novel of this plant manager who's living my life. And he comes up with, as he's going through this, they really paint the picture of, look, it's not about the equipment. It's not about your process. It's about the people. And they have to learn how to get these bugs out of the system and keep them out. And managers, you need to get out of their way because they already know what they're doing. Just eliminate those obstacles.